You can see you will get this spacious living room. We have your kitchen space that you can see this is the space of your master bedroom. You can place your beds.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project JK Iris by JK Developers located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and these behind me are the actual towers of the project. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 4.8 acres, having 10 towers, out of which 8 towers are already delivered, and the new launch tower has 1 basement plus ground plus 1 podium plus 38 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. As you can see, this is the actual location of the project. You can see all the delivered towers. And you can also see the tower with 38 floors. Talking about the amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities with swimming pool that has adult pool and kids pool and also jacuzzi. It also has a clubhouse, gym, jogging track, sitting area, walking area, kids play area, banquet hall, and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Vinay Nagar, Mira Road, from where upcoming metro station is only 5 to 7 minutes walk. Mira Road railway station is only 2.5 kilometers. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 1 kilometer, and you have school, colleges, and hospital within 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project.
So now we are standing outside the 2 BHK of JK Iris. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 637 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you will get this spacious living room and dining area. You can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in the living. And you will also get half French windows with a glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Over here, you can place your dining table to enjoy mealtime with your family. Moving forward, over here, you can see this will be your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom, and the flat is designed such that you will get full privacy from the living to the other bedrooms. On the starting, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Next to the washroom, we have your kitchen space that you can see is very spacious. You will get 2 parallel platforms and you can customize your lower and your upper cabinets. You will also get a stainless steel sink provided, and you will get ventilation windows in the kitchen. You also have space to place your washing machine, and in this corner you have to place your refrigerator. Moving forward, right next to the kitchen we have a common bedroom. This is the space of your common bedroom where you can place your king size bed, your side tables and customize your wardrobe. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a standing balcony look. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move forward to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. So, this is your master bedroom. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. You can see this is the space of your master bedroom. You can place your beds, side tables and customize your wardrobe. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Over here, in this corner, we have the entrance to your attached washroom. You can see you can also customize a closet in this corner. And this is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the sample flat tour of 2 BHK of JK Iris. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project JK Iris by JK Developers located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.